Hey everybody, welcome back to Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. I hope you guys are all doing great out there. Welcome to another episode. This was a recipe and I'm going to be sharing with you guys beef enchilada casserole. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I hope you guys stay tuned and check it out. Before we get into it, I just want to mention that you can find me on Facebook at Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. I have a Facebook page. I also have two groups on Facebook. One of them is called Chit Chat and Crochet with Me, and the other one is called Recipe Swap with Me. So I hope you guys come out to go on Facebook and check me out, find me there. I'm also on Instagram at Chit Chat and Tea with Amanda Marie. So anyway, let's get into it. Guys, don't forget to sub, share, comment, and like. And like I said, I hope you guys are all doing great out there. And if there's any Mexican food fans out there, this is a recipe you're going to love. All right, guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need you can either use corn tortillas or flour tortillas. You're going to need about a pound of ground beef, a can of black beans, a large can of enchilada sauce. You can either use the red or the green chile verde sauce. That's the one that I used. And you're going to need some Mexican shredded cheese and some oil, vegetable oil for your tortillas if you're using corn tortillas. So let's get into how we assemble this casserole. This is super duper easy, quick, feeds a lot of people, and that's one of the reasons I love it. Okay, so first step, as you can see, here's a picture of the ground beef. You want to cook your ground beef and put your taco seasoning on top of as you're cooking your ground beef. Just add that taco seasoning in there. You can use a packet. I actually make my own taco seasoning, which is super easy to do. I should probably do a little video just on that. But yeah, so you can just put some taco seasoning to season your ground beef, put it aside. Now here we have our black beans. So you're going to just use 1 can of black beans. You need to drain them and rinse them and put them aside in a bowl, just like you did with your ground beef. So now you have your ground beef and your black beans all ready to go. So then you get your tortillas. I'm using corn tortillas, And if you're using corn tortillas, you're going to have to take some vegetable oil, put it in a pan, get it hot, and just dip the corn tortillas in to the vegetable oils so that they're more they don't just break apart, because they're very stiff, the corn tortillas. So you need to soften them up a bit. So you've got to do that. If you're using flour tortillas, you don't have to do that, okay? You can just start layering without, and you don't fry them. You just dip them in the hot oil, get them soft, and take them out. It's a quick process. So there you have, you do that with your corn tortillas, get them all nice and soft, get them ready to go so you can start assembling. And like I said, you're going to need some Mexican style shredded cheese. I bought the pre-packaged stuff. You can certainly shred it yourself. It's always tastes better if you do, but yeah, so I have the pre-packaged, and I have the can of the green chile enchilada sauce that I used. Again, you can use red if you want to. This big can, I'm not sure how many ounces this is, but it's the biggest can, the big cans. One of those should be enough for this entire casserole. So 1 big can of enchilada sauce. So basically you start assembling. First of all, you put down a little bit of your enchilada sauce, okay, in your casserole dish. And so you put down the enchilada sauce on the bottom to make sure that the tortillas don't stick. And you just start layering the way you see in this picture. If you're using bigger tortillas, like flour tortillas, obviously you're going to use less. But you just start layering until the entire bottom is covered. And you want them to layer over one another too. And once you get your first layer down, you take some of that ground beef and you spread it all around. And there you have a picture of that. Okay, so then you're going to take some of that cheese and you're going to spread some of that cheese on top of your ground beef. And that's the next step. We're just assembling our casserole here. All right, and the next step is take some of those black beans and spread them on top of the beef and the cheese. There you have a picture of that. All right, so once you have that all set, you take another layer of tortillas and put the enchilada sauce and start the process all over again. You know, meat, cheese, beans, tortilla sauce. And then until you get to the top, until you get to the top of your casserole dish, and then you put cheese on the top layer, on the very top, and you are ready to stick it in the oven. So you want to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. The last, 5 minutes, you want to take the foil off of the top and let it get a little brown on top. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little recipe to share with you all. It's a quick and easy, feeds a lot of people, and it's yummy, yummy, yummy. So I hope you guys try it out. There's the finished product. You can dollop, sorry, I can't talk very well today, some sour cream on there. You could have some salsa on the side, some guacamole on the side, a nice salad, whatever you guys dress it up with will be good. So I hope you enjoy. And again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are all doing good out there. Until next time, guys, God bless.